Nice view straight over to the church. The sashes work here. And downtown. You can actually see up in the rafters there the old lime plaster on the slates. Still in very good nick, there's no leaks. These are all the old original doors also. You can see that's there, some of that has actually came away. That'll have to be taken down and redone with lime plaster. Going into another bedroom here. This is bedroom number 4. Again, nice bright room, nice views. Nice coven in this too, which can be saved hopefully.